In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace rear brake pads and rotors on a Honda CR-V. They are located behind the rear wheel. After you raised and supported your vehicle safely, you need to take off your 5 lug nuts. These are 19mm lug nuts. Take your wheel off, put it off to the side. So after raising your vehicle safely and in removing your rear wheel, you need to remove your rear caliper from the caliper bracket. It's all held on by 2 14mm bolts. Sometimes when you're turning your bolt, your backside will start to turn. You can just hold that with a pair of pliers. Same thing for your bottom bolt. Take a screwdriver in between your bracket and your caliper, peel back towards you, slide your caliper off. Put that off to the side. You can remove your outer brake pad. Put that off to the side. Then you have 2 17mm bolts that hold your bracket to your knuckle. You need to remove those. Slide your bracket off towards you. Put it off to the side. Now we're on the front side of the rotor. You have a Phillips screw that holds the rotor to your wheel bearing. You need to remove that. You can take a rubber mallet, knock your rotor loose, pull that straight towards you, put that off to the side. Now it's time to compress your piston. You can leave your old brake pad installed into your piston there. And you can just take a pair of pliers like this, put it around the pad and around the back side of the caliper, and just push in until the cup goes all the way in. Remove your inner brake pad and remove your clip. Just pull straight out. Take your new clip, has little tabs, one on each end here and here. You can tuck it into the side here, then push down, and that's how you install your clip. Your old rotor has a rubber plug for where you have your adjustment. You just want to pull that rubber plug out and install it into the new rotor. Push that in. Your new rotor is going to have oil on it. You want to clean that off. You just spray it like that. Wipe it with a clean rag. Do the same thing on the other side. Before you install your rotor onto your hub, you want to clean that surface. That way your rotor sits onto your hub flush. Take a little bit of anti-seize, brush it on. And install your rotor. Make sure you align your mounting bolt, which is your Phillips screw. Tighten that down. Show the rotor moves good. We have our caliper mounting bracket. We need to remove these old clips. Just pull straight out. And you want to clean this surface, get it prepped for the new clip. Take a brush, just clean it like this. Take some high heat paste. Take your new clip, install it onto your bracket. Do the same thing for the other side. Now that we have our two clips on, we can take out our pins, remove our boots, check them for debris, clean out our holes, reinstall our boots, clean our pins, applied some paste, reinstall through the boot, make sure they move freely. Now install it on the vehicle. Slide your bracket over your rotor. Install your two 17mm nuts. Tighten those two down. And these two bolts get torqued down to 26 foot-pounds. Now what you want to do is take your inboard brake pad. It has fingers on it. Those fingers go inside this cup. Make sure it's straight and all the way in. Then your outboard pad slides right over your caliper bracket. You swing your brake caliper up, slide it over your bracket and over the outboard pad, and install your two bolts. And those get torqued down at 17 foot-pounds. Take your wheel, put it over your lug nut studs. Put your lug nuts on by hand. Give those a snug. After you lower your vehicle and your tire's on the ground, you want to torque these wheel lug nuts at 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.